Imagine this. You work 40+ hours a week, show up on time, follow the rules, pay your bills, maybe even save a little. Yet still, you feel broke, stressed, and stuck. Why does it seem like no matter how hard you work, real wealth stays out of reach? Is it possible that the system is designed to keep you just comfortable enough, but never truly free? Did you know that despite earning regular paychecks, a staggering 97% of employees face financial uncertainty throughout their lives? By the end of this video, you'll no longer feel like you're working blindly. You'll understand how to escape the paycheck trap, grow real assets, and take control of your future. No fluff, no cliches, just real financial strategy that can change the course of your next 5 to 10 years. If you're committed to transforming your future, hit that subscribe button. We're here to provide the tools and motivation you need to make it happen. Let's begin. Number 1, renting your life hour by hour, but never owning the profits. Employees unknowingly fall into the trap of trading time for money, a system where you earn only when you show up. It's the oldest model in the economy. I work 40 hours, you pay me X dollars. But here's the brutal truth. If you're not building ownership of assets, skills, or systems, you'll forever be on the treadmill. The biggest mistake? Thinking job income is security. It's not. It's dependency in disguise. You're not building equity, you're building someone else's dream. Start building ownership. Invest in assets that work while you sleep, like stocks, REITs, or digital products. Automate and compound. Use apps to automate investing. Even $250 per month in an S&P 500 ETF over 20 years will give you $164,000 with compounding. Employees trade 40 hours for $1,200 per week. Business owners build systems that generate $1,200 while they sleep. Which life are you building? If you want to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, this isn't optional, it's essential. Number 2, emotional salary, the invisible chain. What if the compliments, team lunches, and Employee of the Month certificates are not rewards, but cleverly designed emotional handcuffs? Emotional salary is the non-monetary dopamine you get at work: recognition, flexible hours, praise from your boss, or a feel-good work culture. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. It often replaces real growth, real money, and real freedom. It keeps you content just enough to not question your financial stagnation. You start settling for appreciation over actual compensation. You avoid taking risks, starting something of your own, or asking for a raise because, at least my manager appreciates me. I have a good team. They said I'm irreplaceable. But guess what? 5 years pass, and you've earned only a 3% annual raise. Track value, not praise. Write down how much money you've actually brought into the company. If your value is rising but pay isn't, that's manipulation. Ask, is this scalable? If not, build side income that is ebooks, courses, affiliate marketing, real estate, dividend stocks. Don't confuse culture with compensation. But even if you invest, there's one investment employees almost always ignore, the most important one. Let's uncover it. Number 3, zero investment in self-ownership. Most people spend their whole lives renting their value to others, a job, a company, a boss, but never take time to own themselves. That means no personal brand, no monetizable skills, no side assets, no equity in anything, just a name on a payroll. This is financial suicide in slow motion. According to McKinsey, upskilling in high-demand areas can increase personal income by $10,000 to $30,000 per year. Pick one high-demand skill: copywriting, coding, digital marketing, sales, and dedicate 30 minutes a day to it. Cody Sanchez, former journalist turned investor, started documenting her thoughts on business online. She learned how to flip boring businesses. Today, she owns multiple cash-flowing businesses and earns millions per year. It started with investing in herself, not waiting for anyone to give her permission. Build your digital footprint: LinkedIn content, Medium blogs, YouTube shorts, anything that positions your skill. Track roll. Every $100 invested in a course should bring you at least $1,000 in new income. If not, switch. No investment in you is equal to no ROI in life. Number 4, employee identity lock-in. Employee identity lock-in is the silent mindset trap where your entire sense of worth is tied to your job title, not your potential. You start introducing yourself as, "I'm a software engineer at X," or "I work at Y company." Sounds harmless, right? But here's why it's dangerous. You stop thinking like an owner. You stop building things that are yours. The longer you stay in this identity bubble, the harder it becomes to dream beyond the 9 to 5. 85% of people globally hate their jobs, yet most stay because they've confused employment with identity. Separate identity from income. You are not your job title. Ask, if I couldn't say my profession, how would I describe myself? Learn like a founder. Read about wealth, leverage, ownership, not just technical skills. An employee earning $80K per year with no self-owned assets is dependent. A side hustler earning $1K per month with full creative freedom is sovereign. Number 5. The comfort crisis. Rena had no debt, a stable job, and lived in a nice rented flat. Everything was okay. But 5 years later, nothing had changed. She hadn't grown. She hadn't built. She was frozen by comfort. Comfort is the enemy of growth. The brain avoids discomfort, even if it leads to long-term wealth. Pursue strategic discomfort, learning, investing, public speaking, taking calculated risks. People who chase purposeful challenges live longer and report more happiness. Comfort zones become dead zones. So you've escaped comfort, but there's still a silent tax bleeding you dry, and you're probably ignoring it. Number 6. Inflation is robbing you while you sleep. Inflation is the most underestimated threat to your wealth. You don't see it. You don't feel it instantly. But over time, it quietly eats away your savings, your purchasing power, and your future. If you're saving money in a regular savings account earning 0.01% interest, but inflation is rising at 3.4% per year, you're literally losing value every minute. Put simply, that $10,000 sitting in your bank today will only buy $6,600 worth of goods in 10 years. That's not just a number. It's your child's education, your future house down payment, your early retirement, gone silently. Invest in inflation-beating assets, index funds, real estate, REITs, and ETFs. Use high-interest accounts, build inflation-proof income streams, digital products, freelancing, or side businesses that scale. Wealth is what you don't see. It's the silent decisions, like investing instead of consuming, that build the future you want. Number 7. Energy mismanagement is financial mismanagement. Most people obsess over money without realizing their energy is the currency they're wasting first. You only get about 16 hours of usable energy daily. Where that energy flows, work, scrolling, worrying, gossiping, determines your financial outcomes. Your energy feeds your focus drives your results. Misuse that energy, and even if you earn 6 figures, you'll stay stuck, stressed, and broke. Burnout reduces productivity by 60% and increases bad financial decisions. Impulse buying, quitting too early, procrastinating investments. Bottom line, disorganized energy means disorganized income. Audit your energy flow. Track where your first 6 hours go every day. Cut energy vampires, pointless scrolling, draining conversations. Protect the golden hours. Your 6 a.m. 11 a.m. window is when most people can earn 10x more if they redirect focus. You can't expect financial focus with mental fatigue. If you watch this far, you're not average, because average employees never question the system. You now know these hidden traps that doom 97% of employees, but you also hold the map to escape. Own your time, build assets, challenge comfort, invest in your identity, act faster than fear. This isn't just about becoming rich, it's about becoming free. So if you're serious about rewriting your money story, hit like and subscribe now to You're Wealthy, where we turn paycheck prisoners into asset builders and financial slaves into financially sovereign. Share this video to your loved ones who need this. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.